Hello everyone, welcome to Cisco Talks. My name is Hazel Burton. I am cybersecurity storyteller for Cisco UK and Ireland. I'm delighted today to be joined by Paul de Cruz, who is a director of SecOps for EMEA. And today we're going to be talking about cloud security. So Paul, first of all, if we can set the scene, what's the current status around cloud security? Why do people make that choice and how do they do it?
Yeah, so thanks, Hazel, for the time today. So first of all, why cloud security? So customers are using software as a service or SaaS models already for delivery of applications, and they're looking for solutions in security that can deliver, fast deliverable results as well. So cloud security is definitely a growing, emerging area where we can pick up capabilities that protect customers' data, make sure that they're keeping in compliance, and also help protect the users when they're using some of these software as a service models as well.
Great. And you say it's a growing trend, which is great, but when people do move to the cloud, it's not just a case of handing security over, is it? It needs to be a managed relationship with the vendor, is that right?
Yeah, absolutely. So the data is still very much owned by the end user, the customer, but they're taking services from a provider. And so they're dually, both having to look and control that data from the user perspective. So from the kind of solution side of things, what we're finding is compliancy is the big ticket there. Can I know where the data is? What type of data is either inside or outside the organisation, and can I keep full control of that, whether I'm with one or several providers for cloud services?
Yeah. So if the worst was to happen, an attack was to happen, they know exactly where their data is.
Absolutely.
And to run around. And speaking of attacks, we're seeing obviously more sophistication, increased targeting. How can cloud security be used to outsmart those emerging sophisticated threats? Malicious crypto mining, like one example.
Yeah, so Cisco's got one of the largest threat research organisations under the name of Talos globally for a private organisation, and with that we're continuously looking at what the threat landscape is out in the big bad world and the internet and so forth. And one thing that we picked up recently is cryptomining as an example, where, for instance, solutions like Umbrella as a cloud security offer, we've been able to put in controls there so we can pick up cryptomining as something that's been going on in the background of many of our customers' organisations, and that's different verticals as well. It could be retail, it could be finance, it could be utility customers, and we've been able to pick that up and actually indicate to the customer where that's going on and help them control that within their environment as well.
I guess it's really important to tell the customers that, because if they've got a security hole that a malicious actor has discovered and put crypto mining software on there, they might try something else as well.
Absolutely. So it's a start of worse things to come. So if you can stop that early on, that's the way to do it.
Yeah, exactly. And increase your computing power that's being drained from that software as well. Cool. So that's cloud security for now. What about the future? What are you seeing in terms of trends?
So one big trend we're seeing is more and more of the data is encrypted. So going out to the internet, everything's becoming more encrypted. So the question that comes up is, how do you do security in that model? So solutions like Umbrella are very good for that, because we're looking at users that are connecting to the internet, and because we're using DNS as a resolution capability for that, we're able to pick up and block malicious sites before the users even start transacting. So encryption is not an issue for us in that regard.
And last question, as people are moving to the cloud, what's your one piece of advice from a security perspective that they should take on board?
Yeah, so we're seeing customers going to use Amazon, Google, Microsoft services. The key thing that I think about there is having some element of control and visibility across all of those clouds. We call it a multi-cloud environment. So again, we've been putting a lot of time and effort into solutions like StealthWatch Cloud, so a customer can get one single source of truth and actually understand what's going on across those environments. So think about the visibility control of that data that you're putting into these third-party clouds.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for some awesome advice there. You can find more tips about Cisco Cloud Security on our website, cisco.co.uk/security, and we'll be back with another video shortly.